Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. I am going to get a little serious in this video. The Group 2 pass percentage was 21.51%. That means out of the 72,000 students who have written the exam, only 15,502 was able to make it and was able to clear the group and go to the next phase of their life. What went wrong with the remaining students? The remaining 78.49 percentage, precisely 56,567 students. What actually went wrong? Maybe you would have put in so much of efforts, you would have studied really hard, you would have studied for so many number of hours, but something somewhere you would have missed. Did you actually study right? In this video, I'm just gonna give you 3 steps as to how you can approach Group 2 and the right way to study the subjects in Group 2. If you're done with step number 1, it's okay, go to step number 2. If you're done with step number 2, go to step number 3. And once you're done with all the steps, you are ready to ace your exams. Trust me on my word. Now, the right way to do Group 2, step number 1 is conceptual clarity. No more you can actually fool the examiner by just mugging up the answers and going to the exam hall. You need high level of conceptual clarity, and this you will get only if you attend the classes. If you feel you have already attended the classes and if you are satisfied with your conceptual level of clarity, you can put a tick mark here and you can go forward. If you feel, no ma'am, I did not do well because I don't have the conceptual clarity, then this is your first step. You need to find good classes for yourself. Step number 2 is question practice. Yes, for entire Group 2, including audit and strategic management, only I am saying you need to do the question practice, and just understanding of concepts is not sufficient. Let me tell you why. You understood the concept and you go to the exam hall. In the exam hall, he is twisting and turning the questions and he is giving you the question paper. Now, you will actually know the answer for those questions, but you will not know that this only is the answer for that question. Are you understanding whatever I am saying? They will twist the question so much that you will not know that this only is the answer for that question. But actually the points in that answer you would have studied, you would have known. For this, you need that practice of doing the questions, guys. You need that full practice of doing the questions. For audit and SM, let me tell you, the more and more question practice you do, the more and more keywords you will start finding in the questions. Yes, I said keyword in the question. Usually we always run behind keywords in the answers that we have to remember. But in questions also, keywords are extremely important for you to understand where he can twist the question. For that, you need to practice. For that, you need to do the workout. If you have not done workout, that is your step number 2. Please get enrolled in some workout batch. And if you feel, no ma'am, I don't want any more classes, it's completely okay. You can do it on your own. Just take the previous last 8 model test papers which is released, previous RTPs, previous MTPs, and that itself will give you question practice, which I'm talking in step number 2. Going to the last step, once you are done with your classes, once you are done with your workout, step number 3 is tests. ICAI gives mock tests. They give 2 mock tests for each attempt. It is compulsory for everybody who is watching this video. I am telling really seriously here. It is extremely compulsory, mandatory to go and do your ICAI mock. He is not giving simply those mock test papers. It is for your practice, for you to feel like as if you are in an exam hall. And this is all that you did when you were in school also, guys. You had that pre-board. You had that quarterly, half yearly, and then only you finally went and aced your board exam. You did not keep on studying and directly went and wrote your exams. Here also, ICA mock is mandatory. Apart from that, if you feel like you want more practice for tests, you can get enrolled in your test series. Like I said, if you finish these 3 steps, you can definitely ace your Group 2 examinations. You have 45 days in your hand, 45 golden days, and if you use that effectively, definitely you can also see that successful in your exam result, guys. Now, what to do in this 45 days in hand? We have something called as GROW here. I will show you the GROW schedule where you can watch the classes for each of the subjects, and the number of hours is given here. Costing is 85 hours, audit is 45 hours, FM is 75 hours, and SM is only 20 hours. With just watching classes for 5 to 6 hours and revising every day for 3 to 4 hours for 40 days, guys. Basically, how this schedule works is part 1, that is part G. G is for grasp. You will finish it in the 10 days and you will write the test for the part 1. And then you will move to reflecting, that is happening in the part 2, where you will watch the classes for part 2 and then you will write the test of 25% after you finish this, and then you organize, that is part 3, and then you go for winning. Nobody can stop you. I'm telling you, once you finish this GROW schedule, that is all the 4 parts, only you will see the successful. You will definitely win and nobody can stop you, guys, because here you will be going the classes. That is the step number 1. Step number 2 is practicing. Here itself everything is included, and test is also included here. And like I said, after this, ICA mock is compulsory. That is a non-negotiable. Auditing and SM is taken care by me, guys. For costing, we have Tabish sir, and he is one person in our team. I am telling you, he has seen the most number of ranks. He has produced the most number of ranks out of all the others in my team. And if you go to Kerala and if you ask who is the best costing faculty, 9 out of 10 people will definitely tell his name. That's why I have written God of God's own country. I'm not even joking here, guys. For FM, we have A&M sir, and he is the reason for adding CA in my name. He is my faculty, so I am not here to tell how great he is. You all can see that I am a faculty right now and he is my faculty. So you yourself can imagine how great of a person he is. And FM, he has recorded all new lectures, this time specifically for us. So yes, costing by Tabish sir, FM by A&M sir, and audit and SM by myself. And once you finish the classes and your test series, you yourself will see how confident you are getting to go and ace your September exams. Let me tell you one small thing, guys. Before you go for exams, you need to know whatever is there in question paper, you are going to get an exemption. That should be your level of preparation. It should not be for 40s and 50s. If you yourself are thinking 50 vanda podum, if 50 comes, it is enough. If you are thinking like that, then imagine how much evaluator will give you. You need to aim for the stars. You need to aim for 70 plus, 60 plus. It is definitely possible. If somebody else can do it, why not you? You can definitely get 60 plus, 70 plus in all subjects. I'm not only saying audit and SM. In all subjects, it is possible, but it is in your mindset. You need to think that way. Not for me. Don't think for me. Think for yourself. You have seen a failure now. When you bounce back, it has to be stronger. It has to be stronger. Do it for yourself and only yourself, guys, and nobody else. I am there to support you throughout the way in the entire 45 days. Whatever support you want, I am there for you to guide you throughout. So yes, guys, let's do it together. I am confident and I hope you also are confident. All the best, guys.